follow your cabin crew's instructions at all times.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our safety demonstration.
As the safety features on this aircraft may differ from other types of aircraft, we ask that you all review the safety information card located in the seat pocket in front of you.
Once again, welcome aboard Malaysia Airlines, and we hope you enjoy Malaysian hospitality.
Please remember to put your seats upright, stow your tray table, and keep your window shades high for takeoff and landing. As we come to the cabin for our final safety checks, join us as we count